Introducing the FalConic container, the future of eco-friendly and returnable transport packaging solutions. This groundbreaking unit is revolutionizing the transportation of lightweight packaging, such as pots, tubs, trays and lids. Designed to streamline co-packing operations, it significantly reduces excess packaging material and enhances fulfillment processes, including those for e-commerce. The FalConic container embodies CHEP's commitment to resource pooling and sustainability. Made from 80% post-consumer recycled material, it repurposes plastic waste while boasting an impressive load capacity of 600 kilograms, maximizing container load fill. It stands as a beacon of environmental responsibility. Efficiency is at the core of this innovative packing solution. The container is designed for seamless automation, featuring a container base rim of the same height as the rest of the container base, allowing robots to place products on the pallet without causing operational issues. The sleeve clicks easily into place without the need for bending. Simply open, push and click. With its 1300mm unit height, the container is optimized for maximizing truck fill. Furthermore, its optimized foldability minimizes space during transit and storage. Safety and product integrity are paramount. When stacked, the container base nests securely into the lid of the container beneath it, providing better protection for the products inside during transport and enhancing stack stability. Its sleeve shields against external contamination, and the tamper-proof design guarantees product security. A convenient single-drop door facilitates seamless loading and unloading. The FalConic container is the embodiment of responsible packaging for the future, offering digitized containers and scanning capabilities for unparalleled budget control and traceability. Elevate your operations with the FalConic container and unlock a world of possibilities.